If the match was expected to be exciting, the way to the ground was even more exciting. Situated amidst nowhere, the whole setup looked amazing. The pitch was made by Durban-based curator Phil Russell under the supervision of Managing Director of Beyond Boundaries Jaideep Sinh Parmar.
Well, there's a lot of effort which has been put. It's been almost 3 weeks that we've been working on the wicket, and if you look at it, what we have done is there's been a 22 yards patch which we have cut here, and we've also made sure that there is enough mud which has been put in, and there is the exciting roller which one has been using over the last 2-3 weeks to try and level up the surface.
Some new innovations were seen in the pitch preparation, and with Indian and South African players busy in making strategy, the pitch was still unknown for the cricketers.
Interesting part about the World Cricket Legends game is none of the cricketers know what we guys have been working on as far as the cricket pitch is concerned or the cricket ground is concerned. So no matter what strategies they are working on, I think they might have to alter it once they see the wicket or the ground.
Jaideep also gave an insight into the format of the match, which was slated to take place next day.
What we had decided earlier was it's going to be a 15-over game. We're looking at 5 overs per batting pair. It's going to be a double wicket cricket match. So each batting pair is going to play for 5 overs. In case if a batsman gets out, it would be minus 15 to the overall total.
Well, the pitch was all set for the match, and so were the players. The preparation was in full swing, with cricketers getting their kits ready and making strategies.
The last time the World Cricket Legends was played in Switzerland in 2009, most of the cricketers put a magnificent show. So I'm hoping and looking forward to they putting up a similar performance.
So the facility on the wicket, I mean, what they did, and we've had rain in the last couple of days, I think that's incredible.